super because we have one example super. I don't want to be described like that. For success, last year, you have a records that you better not wait. Now, you have a sky. But we work as a team. All of us. National level, here at the regional organizing committee, then district. First of all, my name is Ronald Sanya, Center over District in Anamako. I'm also happy to one member of our local organizing committee last year, Alibano. So if in case I give a lie, he will say no, I will leave him. I don't even remember whether I was chairperson of that organizing committee. In fact, to me, I was like more of an usher. Usher, we were charged, usher muchache. Kuba nize kubasinga okusindika gyolete emikopo gyolete akakiiko akakuliba mukulu wange ife eyali ssentebe owakakiiko aka district yali the district card eyali ssentebe owakakiiko the organizing committee, and then all members of all religions then in district abakulembeze bonabona they became members. Some of us were members who would sit behind but just give opinions. At a they would buy your opinions, they were not misleading opinions. Then we commenced the meeting where all these stakeholders at district level. Security, led by RDC, technical officers, led by political leadership, led by myself, the religious leaders. We convened the first meeting. They have a each stakeholder, our way of all of them. But we also used to sit meetings like that. But together we know okufuna feedback from the regional planning committee, organizing committee. At Post District had to send a representative by default on the regional committee, and I will also pray that that happens. Over every meeting, there was a representative from Namango. I think that time it was by the vice chairperson of the district, Honorable Kauta Kalatwa. And is the one who used that to attend. And regularly, planning meeting, and do a feedback of meeting. And sometimes we are even conferencing. Jerry Kujama is our meeting here. You fail to win at Bifuna directly. We are participating in creating ideas that job were helpful. Then we also had to make sure that every religious body which are alive in those churches and those mosques, we used to visit them. Like the chairperson now follows a directive. When I have from a directive, that day, the last day of prayer, where all of us are assembled. We remember by your Kachiko, Chachi, or Muzikwe, Titwenda Kubona, Muzikio, or Chachi, Gandhi, all members of that church, you have a member, must be at the venue. Church comparison even means as a church in Samiram. Not your Kuswara, I had to provide the transport for all members of that church. That they came very early, the committee would discipline me. Over the member, I judge the Samiram, apart to represent. So all of them never come no what they should do. Miss, they all came. Church Samiram, they were at that function. So if the committee were about let me say, related, it means we are sure of 20 congregations, all of them are present. That was the first step. Two, our members at district level, like the parish priest and the Catholic Church owned up Nentegekero. We would go to those churches nga omukulu wa church atwese twena twajeyo twasabyeyo twabanga we are popularizing okusaba kuno. Twakyala mu makanisa gona SDA, twakyala mu all of them, Anglican, Mosques, we went there and prayed from there. So as we were praying, abantu bano bategeera nti this arrangement y'abantu bona. One of the challenges we got saboteurs. Saboteurs twafuna ino mubalokole no mwaka ino saboteurs. Then it's a mulokole, but I'm talking the truth. Twafuna ino mubalokole. They say Nentegekero ya 666.
Zena tenafune wikiri I know.
Nentegekero ya 666. Tosobola kuyita abantu bano bona abasiraamu bakiguli kuba muli kusaba bingi bino. So the saboteurs tetwakola, we isolated them because tosobola kubakaka. We isolated them, we left them. Bakola ebyaibwe, but still on that day of prayer their churches were empty. Abantu balumukayo bayiteno saba. So you have also to be ready for those saboteurs. But what we did also, when we noticed it, saboteurs, officer RDC started inviting them for some discussions. But so office air security has a role to play. We also maximized the community radios. We maximize the into twajja kubimbe nga twogera n'abantu to tell them, reminding them. By the time when this event happened, almost everyone in Namai was aware that there is a very serious event in this district going to take place. Then I remember the ministers in the government of Uganda, they produced some audios and videos. So what our people did, batwalanga amaloboozi ago ku bizindaalo. Abantu bawuliriza Mama Rebecca, Right Honorable ng'ali kwogera, Right Honorable Kasule ng'ayogera, Honorable Minister Babalanda ng'ayogera, bakuba, this is serious. All ministers babireyo. Because our voices were very common to them. So when they heard ministers that they are talking, they built confidence. So, what I can conclude is that teamwork played it most. We brought all of us together. We started thinking together. But the testimony I can give, and my article is a witness. Before that prayer week, interreligious, they were divided. During that period, up to the end, they were more united than ever before. Up to today. Up to today. They spoke one language, and now it became a habit and a practice, and now they are stuck there. They want to thank God that they are finally stuck there. I don't want to talk much. Like I said, the success of Namai was an effort of all of us. Because abakulubano twafunanga ni feedback ku ground nga bishop asidike yobozi ku ground nga likutambula. Yena ngafumiza ekiragiro nga isente lwakogulagira. So if all bishops can instruct their subordinates abali ebubuka, their voices are heavier. Ndi sure Archbishop Waifono wafumye ekiragiro kyatuuka ebubuka mu church ye. Nobody will do what? Will hesitate. Buli muntu ajja kuba mukulu ayogeire. The same applies to Abalokole, the SDA. The SDA Oenamai was very committed. Very committed up to today. So I don't want to talk much. I was not the chairperson. Me, I was an usher. The chairperson was the district guard of Namai.
Well, Governor, before you see, media, media. Context here.
media eyena mayingo nga bwiti yezira mu bino byetuli kubona eri mu kuno that time we did not have even a radio station in this district. I'm happy today we have. Is that we could even visit other districts. Myself, I remember. Yeah, we did to the body of Christ in Bujiri. Very many people. Power commitment. Mobilizing. Just was opened up indeed they came in large numbers. So it is important also committee of the neighboring districts. But now that we were to committee abali baneyalo sabamwikiriza empeku akidikoni omuzindalo ayongerezeeku kuba nditira ebintu zinawaniya
engaleto kirimala gavana wanamayingo tuwaire very good success story webale kubanga byolekwire byona byona byobe byatambula kemeeza okugaitaku mobilization yes twakole motoka bwaba kwekizindalo kyatambula mu byalo baife twabezinganga nga times eri ebitundu amaloboozi gaife gatatuuka so popularizing ensonga eyo twataaku negundi eyo emotoka yatambula nebizindalo popularizing abantu keneza okutaitaku
One other item we forgot is that town council, Chaza, like that time it was Namaingo town council. It was people that have a comparison directive, person work was the directive. No single church, by the way, we became also some partly dictators. No single church almost in that town council called Namaingo opened on that day. All of them had to report to the command center. All of them. It became like a directive. At the end of the day, they loved it. So, they can proceed. But whoever is within county council, it was a must to be at that center.
Thank you. Mubongerengalo. Amafuta agava Namayingo. Tugatapinga for the success of where we are. So, government. Twenda kweyanza nti atuwaire ebintu nga bye batambula disitulikiti neyalidinga adviser ku security bani abalidinga ye yatukoba nti yali ku political leadership ayengera buli committee gw'ekyama ku region tuba ne representative okuva ku district yatukoba nti balina omulimu gw'okukyalira amakanisa emisigiti n'amasinziro gonagona ate era yatukoba nti olunaku olwo katonda yali mu kisaawe gye walala wonka tiwaaliwo wantu wangi ga disitulikiti eyo bonabona twakungaanira wantu walala sebo gavana waluka ekyondidi tusobole okikolaku kyatambula bulungi yatukola nti eriyo abantu abazibuzibu abenda otegeera ina ebintu bino abaali bendolemesa omulimu gwa RDC gwali gw'amaanyi n'enkola ya mobilization nga bwediwa so sebo nenda kwebaza gavana wa Namayingo omulimu mwakola bulungi era wawe nenda okutandikira okusaba okwasooka Bishop wa Central Busoga Right Reverend Wakula neyaliri okusaba okwairaku Bishop wa Busoga the African Faith neyabaire mu 2023 Right Reverend Dr. Moses Naiman bayenda kusaba nga Anglican Church twakamazeeyo aketolole bakavweno mu Central Busoga mu Busoga Kairere mu East nsuubira nti kijja kukola bulungi bonabona bebawaali. Then bayire ndi kwenda kusaba nti technical team abantu baife ebatuwe nga bebasakoleje okuba tubawandiika amanya. Chairperson regional Mr. Stephen, deputized by Wekitiibwa Dr. Lugagga, and then Awera Paula and Father Korea, Orthodox, Apostle Monda, National Fellowship of Born Again Churches in Uganda, Central Busoga. Yes.
But I don't know whether I will be there. No,
Yes. Sada mukubira kumunga amukiikirira lero lonka etaini tinikulula asobola okunominatinga so kati likuwa kiragiro ka chairman wairayo izayo obubaka eri bishop okubira nti lukwenda bakola olukiiko lusazeewo olwenda omuntu aida okurepresentinga regional committee bakubi omulonde bwakulonda kinaaba kisa kya Katonda wabatakulonze eronda kuyigiriza oyo gwe banaaba balonze eriina Busoga Diocese yena omukulu gwe basindike aliko abantu benda kwirayo babuuze era soba amawulire wana amalala nti bankobye SDA Pastor Balikowa Samuel mukubire ku Pastor Balikowa Samuel munga yabiseewo.
I think you know him from Ginger.
Yes. Orthodox Bamazi. Muslim faith. General Kadia very much. So we have enough more contacting. Ayako. Now what? The Catholics. Yes. Mr. Katenda producing a jelly name. Kingdom Surinda Kuba represented by Wekitiwa Dr. Rebecca. Secretariat, Boko Person, Yelandi Kayemba.
It's okay. I Kingdom Chamber and normally to Nairole Mukuru Wabayo. I may be to Dakum Saba, at Werezeyo, Wanga years out attending all meetings all the time. To Werezeyo, Mutugo Quantijak Radio, for example, or representing the kingdom. Maybe just like we have consequently done with the Muslim faith, that we will consult, we will also consult to get somebody.
Yes, sure.
Honorable Chairperson. We are not with a committee to allow to bali people in Uganda. When I know Bunan is right like it is like a sins that you are so busy. So to Diana, that looks to me, Javan beautiful like the Uganda.
Yes, I think that was information being given to the Director General, not to the Chair. That he wants to.
Maybe if you allow it, I can correct the impression.
No, the impression is very clear. Timutina yena awe bobunanyisi wakulu abusoga abukole mungeri abemuwebe bwa wilingire na amani ge gona so na tuwe no wile kuba iwichi dino tono ino ditumala kukola emirimu. So I want to rule Mr. Kayemba out of order. Perano ndikusembyayo luchikonduligaleo. How are we going to mobilize as the last item? Bishop?
Waliwo chamber ife documenting up okusookera yala issue ole governor wa Namayingo gyayogereku okugezaako okugiregagana nandikisaba nti abeeruuka kirungi governor atutegeera bulungi oweeruuka ajja kukolayo olukiiko ayeta abakulembeze bolabona ababalogo ife twogere nabo baida akola batya Governor akola atya bolabona tuife twide twogere nabo olulimi lwebayita okukola batya ekyokubiri eriyo issue ey'ekyawandiikibwa gye tubaye tugagalina omuwana ebirowoozo ndowooza niba nange bayita akiikiriza okusinziira ku mutwe guno gwe tulina gwe batukobya okujja ebuziba. Ekigambo kiri tikuyinikizayo kujja buziba sina okujja ki ebuziba mu nsonga eneya deepening regional okujja ebuziba mu kwegayita ng'omusingi okujja okugemerera ebyamaka n'enkyukakyuka ndowooza nvuunire bulungi. So eriyo ekyawandiikibwa ekijiira mu layini eyo nga kiri mu Luuka essula ey'okutaano olunyiriri olwokuna paka ku lw'omukaaga. Awo Yesu bwe yayagana ba Simoni Petero kunanda n'abuulira enjiri eyo vaasi ekoba nti ey'olusooka ngiziraye ndakuvunula ekoba nti now when he had left speaking he said unto Simon, launch out into the deep and let down your nets for a catch. Akondooza mukawo nti awo bwe yamala okwogera yakoba Simoni ati mujje ebuziba musuule ebuki ebuziba emiki emigondo musobole okukola ki okugema ebyenanda ebiki ebingi. Tembaire ebikusaba banange abalirano bakulembeze banange abenyigiriza nti ekyo kyandikuba kyanditukolera bulungi kubanga kyegemagana naki n'eviimi yaife ndibasaba bakiikirize oba balinayo ekisinga kwawo kyona bayinza okireeta aye tukubagainemu akamani munange babona nga ekyo kitukolera bulungi nga bampeto bebaali twena tujje tusule ki ebuziba tusobole okukola ki okugemya neyanziza olw'ebigambo ebyo mpegano finale ngaire nga gavana atukobeire ekyendawulo ekiri mu super RDC mu nsonga eno nti mubaire mukenkugi nti leero his excellence najja okuba omugenyi omuki omukulu so dynamics olwisi tikola litya likyuka so okusinziira nga excellence waba aligwidda mu kitundu akakiiko kakolebwe mu ngeri oti neeyo
neyanziza sebo bishop kati ku theme omulimu ogwo gwaimwe bababa mu Katonda gwikirizaganyako era nze nga kyeyanzira busobozi bwonabwona ndakusaba maybe now or later chairman for Interreligious Council abone gejairamu mubwire babanga yetesetese babatyesetese sobola ekibwa obwire obumala twakira mu meeting jairako yes kazindalo katabale
mwena mwenda mbayisisaamu ebitiibwa mbiti byaimwe amina gange ninze Edward Magumba eri ekiteeso kyeneeza oleetamu okusono kiti naw abalokole obusoga wano batwalibwa ebibiina bibiri ekibiina ekindi ekya National Fellowship of Born Again Churches ekibinja ekindi nekya Born Again Faith nandisabye nti mwe mubanga mukyeze nga mukiwulire bulungi nti ebibiina bino groups nodombi bibe represented mu kuteekateeka kuno kweraniize mwene ndi wano regional bishop tulina omulabirizi waife Edward Munene n'atwala ekibiina kino ekindi ekya NAFBAC oba National Fellowship of Born Again Faith Churches ekibinja ekindi kitwalibwa omulabirizi Franka Tibagendeka atasoboire kubaano leero niife era yansindika mukiikirirewo mu meeting eno ku lwa Born Again Faith webale
nayanziza obaenda ku director general answer bidwe
tujja ku discussing ni Mwami Frank and then we can be able to get back to you, Mr. Chair, on that matter.
I wanted you to pronounce it clearly on his issue because there are two things.
I will need clarity on that. So, Jacob Mwami Frank Tibagendeka, and then I can be able to communicate back to the team during the next interaction.
I think the director, his reaction was out of.
I'm going to make consultation on it, and then I will get back on the matter during our next meeting.
Okay. Is that
Since Frank Tibagendeka is the vice governor of the consortium, I'm going to get in touch with him on the matter, and then I will get back to the team.
Maybe shortly.
Information?
Yeah, last time kyali kityo aye era obuzibu obwaliwo omuntu gwe baalonda tiyayirako yayiddawo bamulonda bamutulaga aye meeting tetwalina do tiyamala yaboneka
Our National Fellowship.
Baffe aye titwidi this time waba naleeta omukana aye last time kyali
I request that you give me an opportunity to interact with the Bishop Frank Tibagendeka, and then I'll be able to get back to the team on the arrangements, because I'm in very close touch with him on
of that matter better than any other person because I interact with him on a daily. So let me interact with him, and then I can be able to share feedback.
Thank you. I think that one is clarified very clear. I had asked the last question for us to be able to close this interaction about mobilization. About mobilization. Can the technical team guide us briefly? Yes. Now I'm asking you another question for guidance, Mula, about the mobilization right now.
The mobilization, already, I think we answered part of Fizemo, part yes of the district level. I would like to propose in Soka, twena mondikiriza taife, mobilization etandikira kwife. Every head of the Interreligious Council of Busoga should send out a message, your structure towards mobilizing participation of the prayer week. Mobilization esokera ku lunaku oluweereibwa your faith olw'okusaba. Tukobye nti ab'e Kampala, Reverend Lubale is already mobilizing ab'e Kampala and is being supported by a team. We assigned Mr. Buwande here as one of the key coordinators to support Dr. Lubale. Then for the Anglican Church, the entire Anglican Church, the regional prayers, the Jakuba, Bujiri, Walwelele Cathedral. So Bishop Wakula already has sent out an instruction to his clergy. Okubananti arrangements are made to participate in the regional prayers being hosted by the East Busoga Diocese. So I request that Bishop
at where Bujiri? Where?
Bujiri. Ni Busoga Diocese twena tukole the same. Then kulokusatu the Catholic kusaba kwe okwawamu kujja kuba wano ku Lubaga Cathedral, and I did have an interaction with Father Kenneth Orom, and he told me that, and they gave me feedback that they had a discussion with the bishop, and that the bishop is ready to host Okusaba Okwawamu, and that they are going to send out the message, the Catholic faith across Busoga. So in summary, I want to propose that the first mobilization within our denominations. Secondly, to possess the political leadership. Already the political leadership is doing so. Jakusaba our media team to play some of the mobilization that is being done. The Right Honorable Kadaga, the Third Deputy Prime Minister, and all the entire political leadership, they have recorded messages. And the bishops, they are also going, all of you, the bishops, you are going to record messages with our media team. Those messages are going to go out. Just nga mona ifono watu kobieti. Message damu yamba ino okumobilizinga. actually bad playing ku mizindaalo to build confidence eri abantu because abantu bawulira abakulembeze baibwe. We shall also have the Katukiro of Busoga Kingdom yena jakuwa a message rallying the people of Busoga the prayer. So that is the second one. The third one, tuina associations edenda ulonga Basoga Nsete, tuina associations edaba public civil servants. So making use of those different associations through their leaderships that they can be able to mobilize abantu. Then lastly, the media. I want to thank through you, Mr. Chair, the media. The success behind Ebikuzieri, it was because of these people here. And they are the same people who are here. So we want to appreciate you, Ndokubebaza, for the great work that you did. Era Ndokuwasabanti Mukole, the same way. So we are going to be required to have talk shows on the different radio stations. Jakusaba our PR or Esther, a schedule for programs on the different radio stations. And then if a representative Sabalonde Iwa, together with the RTC, Nabandi, we don't make use of that airtime on the different radio stations. In the related to the same, we don't provide media briefing on the progress just before the week. So I think it's on the 12th. We don't provide media briefing or updating abantu for how ready the preparations are, and we can have total appreciation and understanding of the progress. So I request that we, Mr. Chair, you allow just shortly to get a glimpse of the message for the use of mobilization.
Okay, thank you. As we listen to that message, I wanted the chairperson of the Intelligence Council to comment on the theme as proposed by our brothers.
Chairperson Wewari, Nenda kusema Musumulala Shibina Kinawe, very active, and that is my brother the Bishop. Tunakusemula okudukudogo mungeri nendala Thurules Chairperson nonda kusaba nti ensonga eno neneino omukolo gwa Busoga yonayona tegwanisana yana nenda kusaba nti nga tulemberwamu Bishop oyo tulina kwogera okutyama ng'aba religious leaders twogera okukakasa ensonga eyo jegeye bulungi tukikakasa katukulemberwa Bishop oyo ayino ayina ekyokukola ino bulamu ino kyobabeera active wale edakulemberwa mu mwene twogera okubeeresinga ku kintu kino tubula tukigezeyamu. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chairperson Intelligence. I think Bishop Nene, my prayer is that okusaba kwange omusaada we bugiri muzibu ino okusaba kwange ti mwongere kutyama muyite edivaayi mu ngeri nendala eyo nenda kwanawunsinga nti omukulu gavana wa twongere okukunga abantu okusabira Busoga atuwaire rediyo ni airtime wabwerere namanyi ngweffe tusobole okutya nga tukunga abantu ebo tusobola okugenda kukwebaza tukola fulani rediyo edindi adibonere didi eruka tuliyo nina ikeffe mukonakona tuliyo ni community radios so twenda okwebaza Mr. Governor Sanya Odani tusuubira batubitiire mu mobilization ndikusuubira nti akantu katono ino wetumaliriza commissioning this, then we close with a prayer and we move. Yes, sir.
Tida kuwakania anga nekyandikibwa mu COVID tetaaga kuteesebwamu aye ekyo tekiteesisaamu mbaye ndikusaba n'obwowembeefu obungi nti Bishop wefu ali owa Orthodox ayambeku Owangilikani nga bamalayo ki sequence yaabwe aye nga kyandibaire kiba kirungi nti Owangilikani omwaka guno or another faith oba omusiraamu akola ki atukulembera kirobe kuboneka nti azifu one denomination is monopolizing the thing okono okuteesa kwange kale kirungi nti emyaka yakuwagyawayo ate oteesiisa aye mbaye ndikwenda kubisaawo ensonga nti Bishop waife Kisitu asobola okuyambaku nga bw'oteesiisa kusonga kubanga ebaire enkulu abiyambeku tusobola okubona nti waliwo some balance in that day. Thank you.
Webalise mukye ate webale muganda wange Bishop Edward kyempulireku oba kyenawuliraku before nti omwaka guno abakatuliki n'abali kukulembera. That's what I heard. Era Honorable Justice Kasule Lumumba yamala yawisparinga ng'akoba Bishop wa East Busoga that I know my Bishop. That is just it. I is about. So in the case that I get ready, that's what. So it is the Catholic. Only that just like as well Lumumba at her Bishop may not. In the case it doesn't, yeah, you put a Bishop is to so. Let's wait. I am very obsessed about it is the Catholic Church.
Yes,
Sebo Chair, njagadde okwongera okwebaza observation ya Bishop Munene nayo nnungi okutambula nga tukyusakyusa kirungi kubanga ffenna tuli wamu naye n'ekyo Sebo kidiikoni kyoyogedde ekyokuba nti Catholic Church nakyo bwewaawo nti wabadde tetwategeezebwa mu bujjuvu kyekyo lwaki chairman ndowooza akoze eki naye kasita okirambuludde bulungi nti omwaka guno Catholic Church ekulembere Director General alina kyayagala okuwagira okuclarifyinga.
I want to give some clarity. okusalawo ani akulembera wano mu meeting eno ti outside ye okuliya. So ensonga lwaki tuli wano okubona nti bwemutyama muti you agree. Tetwe okusalawo tikuba kuliya eyo meeting sendi bakuliya. It is done here. And just a quick hint. Certainty is very important in Muchokola. If we have the bishops who are here with us here, I think you are more, it's much more better to have those who are here provide leadership as we wait for those who are others to come. So today, the bishops are available physically to ina East Busoga Diocese, Bishop Annington Sumi, to ina Bishop Kisitu, His Grace, Sylvester Kisitu, to ina Bishop Munene, to ina Pastor Kaju. To ina the Bishop wa SDA. So, right now, since these are the bishops, are right now here, if we choose to make a choice, my recommendation would be, since already Central Busoga has provided leadership and Busoga Diocese has provided leadership, these who are present, we can be able to choose from this the lead bishop.
Yeah.
So the choice is done here in this meeting, not in the meetings outside.
Thank you so much for the guidance. Yes,
webale nnyo ssebo general okuklarifying ensonga eyo. Ndowooza nti so mpozi n'ekirala kye mbadde njagala okugattako nti kiba kirungi singa denomination ebanga ekulembere yonga yo, of course naffe tubaawo buli omu n'akola nga bwe twakola tuli puleya ez'enjawulo okusinziira ku bwe kiba, naye nga bishop akulembera abeera omu kwegamba baleme kuba nti tugasseeko nti omulala akola ki akole naye. Ekyo kyekibadde kyenjagadde okumanyiza nakyo.
Toyanziza subira ensonga eno tugimalirize. Aye obukulembeze bonabona omukulu ayogere okubaawo kw'omuntu mu meeting kiba kikulwira. Meetings zetubeera nado emyaka gwakusatu twetaagisa ino abantu ababairemu ino nga bawa endowooza ku nsonga ey'eddiini era bawa n'ensonga ya Busoga. So then andikiriza kuganya n'abantu nti meeting zino mwe tuweera ebirowoozo eby'endawulo ne leadership erina kuva mu meeting muno okuboneka nti tusobola okujja mu maiso. Sebo Bishop Kajulu.
Ebale sebo yakoso baluwa eyampeebwa eriku nti Right Reverend Charles Wamika najja okulembera. What is that? Kiri wano ekiwandiiko nze ndi mu bwino ku Sunday nga 2 October. Nsobola okikuwa chairperson wabisaamu amaiso. Kati bwe tukubaganya ebirowoozo kazi ndibona nga maybe we are lacking criteria.
Yogera.
Yes. I want to read the
yogera ngenda kuddamu kuberenga.
Sunday 20th October 2024. Convened the many regional interdenominational prayer ceremonial grounds under the leadership of the Right Reverend Charles Wamika, Bishop of Jinja Diocese, together with other heads of the Busoga Interreligious Council. The chief guest, His Excellency, the President of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is expected guest of honor. Do we need to have any other discussion on this?
I think in an organization, there is a need of some policies and procedures and criteria, either we like it or not. Because okusinzira kukyembo ine batukobya oluzungu okusinzira kukyembo ine tuli kulakinga mwekyo okuviira irala ku formation of the organizing committee bateeka obaawo ku akawandiiko kirungi tulina lawyer he can come together with us to are forming anti organizing committee but oli kubona tulobeka biri kumalanga bwire kwekyo. Then nekimukwe one of them also is the lead denomination of speaker. Also there should be a criteria, because now we are seeing others have led twice, so I don't know if this one is coming from which, and yet they are saying we are the ones to vote to select. I don't know who selected, so nenze bwakutangaza mtube ni criteria kubintu ebyo.
Yes, I think guidance should be from the consortium, because Baluwa Jendina Yawana, Office of the Director General. So, Nerikola, the program with Andy Kera, we do not know the same way. So, Iram Mukulu.
Engeri gye yagimpa akuwa eyo
My Lord Bishops, I want to thank you for for that critical observation. One, we initially, last year, we did have the proposal that okusaba okujja okwirako kwidakuba by the Catholic faith. That was the proposal. So it was captured the way it was. However, that proposal is validated by the meeting of the bishops when Gotusinkana one. And when we in this meeting, this is the meeting that validates the proposal that thought the thought said in the previous engagements. So my recommendation, Mr. Chair, basing on the practice, the practice that has been, the precedences that have been performed in the past, it has been that okusalawo alidinga okusaba okulimain kuba done by the Interreligious Council webanga ekyaime. This is a thought that was thought in the meeting of the Secretariat. And it was presented here. But I came out with a personal opinion that it is important for us, some of the issues that we need to consider sequence of participation in these meetings. If the bishops are here, the proposals who are present right now, and there is quorum amongst us, I would feel it is much more better for us to have one of you who is present, but certainty and consistency. I had a chat with Father, one of the leaders, and I was told that it's 50-50 for the bishop to be available because of health-related challenges. So now I've advised it is okay if the meeting sits, whatever resolution the meeting will come out with, the bishops, it is the view that will be taken, because all of us, the members, you are one as a team, and the resolution of the team is what is binding on the entire interreligious council leadership. So I want to categorically state that this one is an opinion and not a view and decision of the interreligious council. That is why I want to propose that you make the decision, on the final decision on who is to provide the leadership, basing on the factors that have been hinted on.
Yeah, thank you, Director General. I think the Director has given that what is contained actually with one day. Ndowooza ya Secretariat ya Busoga Consortium for Development. Aye ngaaliko banti okusembayo mu kikolwa kyona inakolebwa ekyo.
Aye ndowooza eyo tiyali ya Secretariat, yali backed up by a resolution omwaka ogwo eyakolebwa bene ife. Tiyali nti tiwozasi ali ekintu kyenenza okukiriyalinga nti formation of committees, there is no blueprint nti tulina forming a committee tuti kuba buli mwaka guba ne challenges dagwo. Aye tulina basic ni principles detuyinonoire nti buli denomination ereeta omuntu ku central working committee. Ekyo nekyendawulo. So my Lord Bishop, it's not that we were just in a quagmire. No, tulina the principles, but they are not on a blueprint because of the supremacy of this organ, which then can be able to change according to the needs of the day. Kayindize mu Luzungu.
Thank you. I think Baba Mukatonda n'abantu mwena omuli mu lukiiko luno nga bwe mungemesa entebe ewooma ino, mbaire nenda kubasaba nti ensonga eno bwe tunagikubaganyaku ebirowoozo wano tejja kuwa, nenda kuwa kiragiro eri Secretariat ya Busoga Consortium for Development amangu irala obutaswika ku mande, bakozese obusobozi bwe mulinabwo, mwete Baba Mukatonda ensonga eno bagimalirize, kuba niifo tuligyegayitamu tusobole obutaba na busobozi kugimaliriza bulungi. Ekyo kiragiro kiviire wa ssentebe. Yes, naye ensonga eyo tujja kuyikiriza kukubaganya ebirowoozo kukulonda ani ajja okuba akulembera mu nsonga eno. Basebo tubayire wano nga nkiikirire Minister for the Presidency Honorable Mide Babirye Babalanda, aye era mubwire Kampala nga ndina obubaka okukiikirira First Deputy Prime Minister wa Uganda Iganga nga basomesa mu Busoga bamweta nga balina olukiiko Busoga Teachers Association, akabonda akajja ogaita abasomesa bonabona mu Busoga nga bali ku katongozo olwaleero ku Iganga Municipal Council. So ndibanga wano nga ndi ku Mawa tusawa nate mwangodomolako obwa chair entebe eri kundokya ayera n'entebe eyindi eri kundokya eri kunenda. So Director General mukulu akobye nti tulina oba n'obwire olw'ensonga eno. Obwire nze ndijja abanabo ino emba ensaba olukiiko luno lundikirize abasomesa baluyirira Iganga ate omukulu ampaireze na kiragiro yeeyo tuigulewo association yeeyo y'abasomesa. So Director General nga bw'oli director nsaba on directing.
Sebo, Mr. Chair, I want to within the consensus of the members that we give this meeting 15 more minutes under the chair of our chair, and then we wind up because almost tulikuntandi quite yenkomerero. So my members bayikiriza chair. Thank you.
Minutes.
And Chair, also you have given a directive. I want to propose that on Monday in the evening at 8 p.m. that either at 8 p.m. or early in the morning, I want to request for your guidance to having an online meeting. We don't need to meet physically because like reason.
At what time?
I want to seek for the consensus either early morning or in the evening after Ngamaze Emirimo, that we have an online meeting for about 30 minutes just to build consensus on this, on the lead clergy for the main celebrations. So, Mr. Chair, I request that you guide you.
Yes, Bishop.
Thank you. I request that if it is in the agreement with my colleagues, we use the morning hours since we shall be in our offices, because it's a working day. Then going home and you are interrupted here.
Muyingirizaganya ekirowoozo ekyokunkyo ng'abantu bali mu office ye wabanga toli baba mu Katonda otatayo mukono omukono buli sayidi ere kuyikirizaganya ku bwire kyonka. Yes, sawa sawa buli satu.
I suggest 10 on Wakuba Isatweba, right?
Okay.
Wait, Teresa, so by 10, you are
by virtue of the authority entrusted to me as chair, kati ndikulangirira nti olukiiko lujja kutyama ku ssaawa 4 mu ngeri ey'ebyuma bikalimagezi nga nekisalibwa ssaawa 4 odatuwa linki tubone nti zenamba ku linki kulembone olukiiko bweli kujja mu maiso zena ndaba mu office tulumande Ferano.
Monday 7.
Yes. I think ekisembayo discussion is information of the organizing committees tuwaire bulungi mwikirize abakulu ndete governor of the Msoga Consortium for Development, Mr. Wakaze Simon, owekwebaza eri bababa mukatonda n'abantu abali mu lukiiko so akazindaloka ebiwandiiko byona byona mubigereze mukulu governor tuli live ku BBC ni CNN olina okuba nga kintu kikulaga bulungi.
So Ssentebe Muyako tumugaire olw'olukiiko olutesitesi n'oluteekateeka okusaba okwa Busoga genda okwebaza olw'okukkiriza obuvunaanyizibwa obwo era asaba obutongole tukubire ku Ssentebe Muyako ono mungalo zimukweyanziza ino. So Director General awalali Secretariat yona yona banata baife mu iddiini banamawulire baife Ssebo Gavana Namayingo mukulu wange nenda okusiima banange twena buli kuŋŋaine olunaku olwaleero okuboneka nga tutongoza okusaba kuno kujja okubamera kuva mwezi 14 kutuuka kunaku gw'omwezi 2 omulimo mukoze bulungi era weenaawo nenda okwebaza mu ngeri y'endawulo Director General ni tiimu yona yona y'oluteekateeka nayo omulimu obonera irala nga tina omwangu ino era nga bwetabaayo akuteekateeka kugutaawo mu mbeera yona yona obona nga birema so twenda okwebaza emirundi egy'okwirungana ebiri ayika yina ogwokusatu ng'enteekateeka eno ogiwomyemu omutwe era bwatusomesa okuboneka nga tandiseeku omukolo kini kuno olunaku olwaleero banange mwena nenda kubeebaza endikiriza donna nenda okugyebaza kubanga twidya ebiseera nti abantu balina obwire butono aye bwe mwikiriza ne mwidda wano ku lw'abantu baife ku lw'ensi yaife nze nga gavana wa Busoga Consortium for Development ndiramu amaanyi ino kulwa Luwuka district ndi musanufu ndikayi kino kigwire wange aye era kayiri kirungi nti tiimu yange irana nandinayo wano ate kayimumpere chairman gwendidinti era tiimu tene RDC wange ensonga eno eriwo tiya buliido kulona tukujja kukyaza omukulembeze obw'eiwanga. It's a challenge. My God, Mr. Clay, we are now the ones holding the mantle. We must be there on spot, do the right things, atera to succeeding. Atoboli yao, tusinge wopu nga bwe kyali Namayingo. Kyali Namayingo polo ayikulotite kokuba ne vibe esingawo. Nenda kusaba baba tuwendagana amagezi ate mutugalake mutatulekulira. This time round twenda okusaba okwo kwali okukiseera ekyo twatambula Busoga ono aye olwisi information yatukanga tobwire bugiire ndi kusaba ku luno tulenga tufuna amawulire gano tugalalike makanisa agenda olulimu bifo ebyendawulo ife beene tukeyo ng'akabonero akalungi akokuba nti Busoga esimbwire Busoga eri kutambula. Twedinti tulina kuba yona yona makereziya mu mizikiti mu makanisa tusobole okuboneka nga tutuukiriza. Mbeeyaziza eno mwena era ndi kubasaba nti enkiiko tuddumbire obwire tulina butono kitegeeza nti ebiseera ebisinga bungi oza kusiibula kwere osobola okuba ino wano mu wiiki eyo oba mu wiiki esembayo endala ate era ne mu wiiki eyo osobola okubonekanga time to time tuba tutuwulizaganya ocoordinatinga baino ku level eya region ate era n'oconnectinga once wali ku district osobola okubonekanga tuwulizaganya mbeyanziza ino. Thank you for the provision. Thank you for the determination several Director General. Ni timu yo mwangu wande mwivale mwani kayemba ndoza frime muko bona bakubira omutala Sara omulimo gwe mulikola mulungi ino nga secretariat tekenza nti kuba ate omwana chairman wange omusaza wa vibe ino atemuta usada yaka era ife tumweta yaka era ekintu ndibisi yakola ki
ajja kweka
kuno consortium buli muntu ajajiwulire Busoga atayita kujiwulire Luuka. Mwebale ino mwebale yala mwebale kwida mbendeza obulungi bwa Katonda era nsaba nti Katonda ababeere atusobozesa okwongera okulwalala byonna byonna byogeire lwa Katonda n'ensi yange. Mwebale.
Amina. So tuyanziza chairman batusabe ka recording mangwira la wale.
Bantu namina Busoga n'emikwano gya Busoga n'abendeeza Busoga ebirungi mbalamwisa ku linnya lya Mukama waffe. Bantu namina Busoga n'emikwano gya Busoga n'abendeeza Busoga ebirungi mbalamwisa ku linnya lya Mukama waffe Yesu Kristo omwana wa Katonda omulamu. Nze mwana waimwe muwala waimwe omukulembeze waimwe Mumbeda Namuganza Pasis akiikirira eisaza ly'e Bukono mu Namutumba district. Ndikwenda kubategeeza nti tuli kujja kuba Busoga y'okusaba nga bwe tugyeta mu Busoga ejja okubaawo ng'ennaku ed'omwezi 14 okutuuka ku nnaku ed'omwezi 2 mu mwezi ogw'Ekumi 2024. Eno etegeke okusaba kuno okutegekeibwa bannayiffe aba Busoga Consortium ekibiina oba organisation etutwala tuna mu Busoga n'abantu abaife beena abatukulembera mu madiini betweta baiseife mu Katonda ba Interreligious Council. Busoga okusaba kwa wiiki kuno kubaawo mu seasoni buli mwaka era emikwano da Busoga donna tuli kubeeta okubaawo nga twebaza Katonda omwaka guno plans da Katonda dutwenda Katonda atuyambe okudituukiriza n'emikisa da Katonda n'okulungamizibwa okubona nti bino byonna bitusobokera. Ng'omukulembeze wa Busoga ndi kubeeta abantu ba Busoga mwena n'emikwano da Busoga mwena muyide mu kwegaita mu kusaba kuno n'ebintu byonna oba activities edinaakolebwamu mu kusaba kuno. Okusaba kuno nga kali kutuuka okuli May kw'ennaku 20 nze nganze ndakubanga nkulemberamu okusaba okwidda okubaawo Namutumba district mu mudikiriza ey'abalokole born again Christians nga tubeeta okwidda okubaawo Namutumba ku Miracle Center nga saawa 12 edolweigulo. Nze ninze mwala waimwe mukulembezi waimwe omumbeera Namuganza Pasis, minisita omubeezi mu ministry ey'amataka amayumba n'enkulaakulana y'ebibuga abeese nti mwidde tubeewo tonatona tulirire Katonda tumwegayirire anunule Busoga okuva mu bintu bingi, obwavu oba obunaku, atuwa obulamu obulungi n'okubona nti enkulaakulana ya Busoga etumbuka.
Presidency, Honorable Mire Babirye Babalanda, Kulwa Minister wa Presidency, endatwala omukisa guno ikulwange ng'omuntu okulangira mu butongole nti organizing committees donadona n'enteekateeka donadona editutwala mu Busoga prayer week nangirira nti nditongoyisa mu butongole era nenda kubasaba buli muntu yena kusinga yabava mu Katonda ensonga eno tugite mu supiidi tubense etambulira ku supiidi n'isaala donadona digire ku supiidi no tusobola okuba nti obwegayisi bwa Busoga n'enkulaakulana yona etambulira ku supiidi. Nenda okwebaza mwena mubairewo n'ebirowoozo ebyo era nsabe coordinating team ya Busoga consortium byona ebituikirizaganyako tubite mu nkola obwangu irala era mwikirize twemerere nsabe chairperson wa Busoga Interreligious Council atuwa okusaba okusembayo. Kale amaliriza okusaba olwonga twembayo olwemba lwa Busoga ni national anthem nga tukolere tuwombeke nga bwetuli Katonda waifayiza bino byona kwebaza kubanga tukuŋŋaaniza mu kifo kino essaawa 28 eri abakuŋŋaine nga bali kuteesa engeri gye banaziika munayiwe eriyo abali kubonaabona mu luguudo olw'obubenze eri abali mu madwaliro nga tebali kuyisa nga bali ku ebyuma. Ife olw'okwenda kwo tuli wano tubibalamu tuli kuteesa buteese engeri Busoga gyeyinza okwira mu mirembe gyasooka n'okusingawo. Tulina kwebaza olw'ekibiina kino ekiri wano Mwoyo mwamufu gwatulumiriza n'atukozesa netwida mu kifo kino kuteesa nsonga za Busoga ate era kubanga oli Katonda akola ebikulu n'ebinene ebikalangafu by'osinga kukola mere tubone ng'oli Katonda asobola tukuwa ekitiibwa tuwaayo
Busoga yona n'ebigiri mu byona kubanga nibo bisobola tubikugemya yimusa Busoga yimusa abakulembeze aba buli nsambo ng'oyongera obulala mu Busoga okwisanya kweyongere Busoga ekule n'okusingawo olunaku luno waliwo olukiiko olondeibwa tirusobola naire kuboogera mu kigambo kyo ti bwe muba munze nze namba mwimwe ikiza tube mwiwe obe mwife mu lukiiko luno otukozese Setaani olwawo n'abateekateeka ebikalamu yena wayigira aye osobola entalo wadirwana wadiwangula tetuwa ekiseera ekirungi uno tukisagala ndokuba okuteesa kumande kutanga n'essaawa ena netwaka tetabula zibeewo tuwulizaganya tuteese bulungi olw'obulungi bwa Busoga ate ena kwendo nelijjokuba mu kusaba niweyogera mu kigambo kyo nti munje gye ndi mwena abakooye era abasitoyoleddwa watukakasa nti nange n'ababuuza tukuleeta emikugu gyaife gya Busoga mwena kwedu doona byonna tulaba nga twogera niiwe tutiikula emigugu ensalo yasukira Busoga liire ekulankula n'okusingawo tuwaye aboogezi boona boona kati naife abanaaba omukolo ogwo bawa ebigambo ebyokwogera kati naye tuwaayo the President of the Republic of Uganda olunaku olwo ng'omuntu aba n'ebintu bingi